Hello everyone, welcome back to your own channel Pandey Jyoti, and this is Jyoti. So here is another video of B.Ed assignment file. So the topic of this file is ICT. I think the people pursuing B.Ed will be aware of this term ICT. So here we are going to discuss about this assignment only, ICT paper third file. So let's get started. This is the front page where I have mentioned my topic, submitted to and submitted by. Then we will move on to preface, in which I have given a very short description of role of ICT and its importance. Then we will start from educational technology, which is also known as Sakshik Takniki in Hindi. Educational technology is equal to education plus technology. That is this word is based on the addition of two words, education plus technology, and here I have mentioned what is education, how it is derived, what are its definition, and same I have done with the technology. Then combining this word, I have given the definition of educational technology by different people like GOM Lead, JR Gases and SS Kulkarni, etc. Then here comes to information and communication technology. The topic starts from here only, that what is the meaning of information and technology. Here in the box I have enclosed that what does ICT means. I stands for information, C stands for communication, and T stands for technology. So this is how it will look good and more eye-catching thing if you enclose it in a box or draw any box pattern there. Now let us talk about definition of ICT. So there are various definition of ICT. Then I have mentioned components of ICT like data, people, information, software, hardware, then procedure. Then we will define all these terms one by one. Then it comes to computer and its part, like computer hardware, computer software, what is telecommunication, what is database, and what is human resources and procedures. Then I have made another flow chart, that is components of ICT again, in which you can see internet connection, data, telecommunication, procedures, hardware, software, etc. So I have already told you in many of my videos that it is better to represent your important information in box or enclosed patterns or flow chart. It will be more eye-catching and attractive. So here I have classified ICT into two, like traditional ICTs, modern ICTs. Then here we will talk about benefit for students, and then benefit for teachers, benefit for parents, how ICT is helping all these three important parts of teaching and learning processes. And now we will talk about objectives of ICT. I have mentioned all the objectives and points. If you want, you can also click a screenshot of this. Now we will talk about scope of ICT in teaching learning process, the most important part, and also how ICT help in research, ICT in publication, and ICT in administration. Actually ICT is playing a very important role in every field, we can say. Now it comes to functions of ICT, of storage, of communication, of processing. Another flow chart is here, and now we will come to the conclusion, that is the end of our project, that is merit, demerits, and also the conclusion is little bit longer due to the flow charts representing merits and demerits of ICT. Now the final part is bibliography, where I have mentioned the books I have used and the online sources I have used for making this project. I hope this video will help you a lot in making ICT project. If yes, then please do like, share and subscribe. Also this video is a special one because we have already crossed 100 plus videos on our channel. So all those people who are genuinely watching my videos and are my subscribers and showing their support to this channel, I'm very thankful to you guys. Thank you very much.